के बाद हिंदुस्तान में सिर्फ दो टाइप के लोग होंगे, एक जो जागरण में काम करते हैं और दूसरा जो जागरण में काम करना चाहते हैं। एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स ऑल अबाउट मार्केट शेयर। इट बेटर बी राइट।
Let's go!
Are you ready?
PASSION. Passion. What will be your definition of passion?
Passion is a fire inside you and something you want to do and you accomplish.
Why passion to change?
Well, I think change is inevitable in today's society. If you can't change, you're not going to move forward.
Why passion?
Because I feel that nothing works better than passion, be it whatever. Be it business, be it family, be it friends, be it social life, everything you need to be passionate.
यदि ज़िंदगी में अपनी महत्वाकांक्षाएं और सपनों को पाना है तो पैशन एक ऐसा शब्द है जो उस रास्ते पर ले जाएगा जहां सफलताएं अपार होंगी.
What is passion?
Passion is like josh and energy and it's cool, chill out man.
आगे बढ़ने के लिए बदलाव तो ज़रूरी है क्योंकि ये तो हम जानते ही हैं चेंज इज़ दी ओनली कांस्टेंट. या तो हम बैठे रहें कि समय हमको बदले, इससे बेटर है कि हम समय के साथ में बदलें और बदलें पैशन के साथ में कि हम जहाँ भी इस भावना के साथ में कि हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.
Passion is something that you combine with creativity and then it just comes from your heart.
Passion for me is my work and my family, and we do enjoy both things.
Can I ask you something? Just one question. What does passion mean to you?
Excitement. Can I say it? It means absolute excitement.
Why is change important?
Without change we can't go forward.
Passion means having a real commitment to what you're doing.
For me, passion is dedication and aggression.
Change is important because nothing is static in this world. Everything is changing, so one needs to change every day.
Passion means passion to change for me.
Without passion, you cannot live, you know. If you want to live, you have to have some passion.
Passion is the first fire to start things.
My passion is to grow in your life with a good organization.
Any act which is done with commitment, discipline, enthusiasm, not just for a day, repeatedly, day after day, week after week, month after month, and above all, enjoying whatever you do.
बदलाव, change, ये क्यों ज़रूरी है?
जरूरी इसलिए है कि नेचर का स्वाभाविक गुण है और जो व्यक्ति बदलेगा नहीं ज़माने के साथ, निश्चित तौर पर ज़माना उसे रौंदता हुआ आगे निकल जाएगा.
Whatever we are working for, whatever we are doing, we should be passionate about it. I seriously feel that.
Change is important to keep up with the times, or else you get left behind.
Passion. Passion is what we're all feeling today. Passion is excitement for life. Passion is excitement for women, for the way we live and for what we do. And I think we're all here today to try and create a lot more passion about our business, about our products and the way we're doing things.
Passion मेरे लिए कुछ अलग से करना, out of the box thinking.
पैशन काम करने का जुनून होना चाहिए.
पैशन उसका दूसरा शब्द होगा जुनून, और जुनून नहीं तो जहान नहीं.
It is that all-consuming feeling that drives the person to success.
Passion is from the heart.
Passion means excitement to me. Being excited about what you do is what passion means.
Passion means something you love at, something you're very good at, something you love, something you believe in.
पैशन एक आग है जो हम सब के अंदर है आगे बढ़ने के लिए और जीतने के लिए.
Passion means creating a killer instinct which will take us ahead of all our competitors.
My passion is that smile on my client's face after my delivery, that satisfactory smile, that is my passion.
Passion is when I feel from here and I'll do anything to get it.
Passion means 110% commitment, 110% effort.
It's important to change. Passion means a thing which you have to do with a lot of enthusiasm and from your heart, the core of your heart, you have to get something which is not normal man can do.
Dream to be the best.
Why is change important in life? Because the market changes around us and we've got to respond to the ever-changing needs of the consumer. That's our job. We're about pulling our products together, presenting it to our audience, and that audience is ever-changing.
Passion means that whatever you want to do it from your heart. Always have a positive thought that you can do it, and when you have a positive thought and when you are doing any job with your heart, where heart and soul are there, so definitely you will get success.
What does passion mean to you?
Passion to me means extracting the best out of the market. मतलब जिस चीज़ में भी आपने अपना दिमाग लगा लिया उसको आपको अचीव करना, उसको आपको लेना है at all cost, whatever it takes, you have to get it.
Passion means enthusiasm beyond imagination.
Passion for me is giving my best out.
बदलाव ही जिंदगी है.
We are born with passion.
It's a changing world. If we don't change with times, we'll be left behind.
Passion is Josh, the Josh machine over there at the passion. Achievement, verb, enthusiasm, and aggression. Passion to change.
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 Passion to change. Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change. Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change. Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion to change.
Passion for change.
Passion to 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 change. Passion to change. You gotta do it now.
Passion to change.
Make passion your sixth sense.